Changing a phone number on Airbnb is a straightforward process that ensures your account remains secure and up to date. Follow these steps to update your phone number easily. Step 1. Open the Airbnb website. Launch the Airbnb on your mobile device or visit the Airbnb website on your computer. Log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the account icon. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Go to Account Settings. In your profile, look for the Account or Settings option. Click on it to access various account-related settings, including personal information. Step 4. Update phone number. Find the section labeled Phone Number or Contact Information. Click on the option to edit or change your phone number. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new phone number, make sure to save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to ensure your phone number has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change your phone number on Airbnb and ensure that your account information is current.